What is the best taro recipe for pop-up drink stands? The best taro recipe for pop-up drink stands combines natural taro flavor with smooth, creamy texture and balanced sweetness to make a refreshing and crowd-pleasing drink. Taro is a root vegetable that has a unique purple color and a mild, nutty taste. To make a great taro drink for a pop-up stand, you start by cooking and mashing fresh taro or using taro powder. Fresh taro needs to be peeled, boiled until soft, and then blended into a smooth paste. Many people use taro powder because it is easier and quicker to prepare, but fresh taro gives a richer flavor. The paste or powder is then mixed with milk or a milk substitute like coconut or almond milk to create creaminess. Sweeteners like sugar or condensed milk are added to balance the earthiness of the taro. For a perfect texture, some recipes call for adding ice and shaking the mixture well or blending it for a frothy finish. A little vanilla extract can also be added to enhance the flavor without overpowering it. The drink is usually served cold with tapioca pearls or jelly for extra fun and texture. A common mistake in making taro drinks is using too much taro powder without balancing the sweetness, which can make the drink taste bitter or chalky. To avoid this, always start with less powder and taste as you go. Another mistake is not cooking fresh taro long enough, leaving it hard or gritty. Make sure it is fully soft before blending. Some people think adding extra milk makes the drink better, but too much milk can dilute the flavor and make it watery. Stick to the right proportions for creaminess. Lastly, forgetting to chill the drink properly can result in a less refreshing experience, so always serve it cold or with ice. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.